Hey there, Europe lovers! Ready to explore the top 20 destinations in Europe? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an unforgettable journey through some of the continent's most iconic and breathtaking spots. First up, Paris, France, the city of lights, love, and legendary landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and Notre Dame. Sip on some fine wine and nibble on a croissant as you stroll along the Seine. Next, hop over to Rome, Italy. From the Colosseum to the Vatican, this city is a living museum of ancient history and mouth-watering cuisine. Don't forget to toss a coin in the Trevi fountain for good luck. Heading north, we land in Amsterdam, Netherlands. This vibrant city is famous for its picturesque canals, historic museums, and lively nightlife. Rent a bike and explore like a local. Now let's head east to Prague, Czech Republic. With its fairy tale castles, cobblestone streets, and historic squares, Prague feels like stepping into a storybook. Be sure to catch the astronomical clock in action. Next stop, Barcelona, Spain. Marvel at Gaudí's whimsical architecture, relax on the beaches, and dive into some tapas and sangria. This city is a feast for the senses. Traveling north again, we arrive in Berlin, Germany, a city rich in history, art, and culture. Visit the Berlin Wall, Brandenburg Gate, and immerse yourself in the vibrant street art scene. Over to the beautiful Swiss Alps in Switzerland. Whether you're hiking, skiing, or just taking in the stunning views, the Alps are a nature lover's paradise. Next, we visit Vienna, Austria, a city that sings with classical music, grand palaces, and rich coffee culture. Take a stroll through Schönbrunn Palace and enjoy a slice of Sachertorte. Don't miss Dubrovnik, Croatia. Known as the Pearl of the Adriatic, this city is a blend of stunning medieval architecture and crystal-clear waters. Walk the ancient city walls for breathtaking views. Let's dive into the Greek islands, starting with Santorini, Greece. Famous for its whitewashed buildings, blue-domed churches, and breathtaking sunsets. It's a slice of heaven on earth. Next, the enchanting city of Edinburgh, Scotland. With its historic castles, vibrant festivals, and scenic landscapes, Edinburgh is a must-visit. Don't forget to try some haggis. Swinging down to Portugal, we find Lisbon, a city of colorful tiles, historic trams, and delicious pastries. Explore the Alfama district and enjoy some fado music. Onwards to Budapest, Hungary. This city is known for its stunning architecture, thermal baths, and vibrant nightlife. Take a cruise on the Danube River for a magical view of the city. Next, head to Stockholm, Sweden. A city built on 14 islands, Stockholm is a blend of modernity and history with its beautiful archipelago and medieval old town. Over to the charming city of Bruges, Belgium. With its canals, cobblestone streets, and medieval buildings, Bruges is like stepping back in time. And of course, indulge in some Belgian chocolate. In Norway, we visit Oslo. Surrounded by fjords and forests, Oslo is perfect for nature lovers and history buffs alike. Visit the Viking Ship Museum for a taste of ancient history. Next up, Copenhagen, Denmark, known for its happy locals, colorful houses, and the iconic Little Mermaid statue. Take a stroll through Tivoli Gardens for some magical fun. Let's not forget about Reykjavik, Iceland, the gateway to stunning natural wonders like geysers, waterfalls, and the Northern Lights, a truly unique destination. Finally, we end our journey in Dublin, Ireland, a city with a rich literary history, vibrant pubs, and friendly locals. Enjoy some traditional Irish music and a pint of Guinness. And there you have it, folks, Europe's top 20 destinations that you simply can't miss. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching.